this video regarding bear put spread strategy. As the name of the strategy suggested, you are bear on the stock, means you think that this stock price will down in future. So what steps we taken in this strategy? We take two steps. First, we buy one put, and second, we sell one put with lower strike than we bought. For example, if stock price is 42 and you are bearish in stock, so you buy put strike price and premium. You bought put strike price of 40, premium 3 rupees, and sell one put of 35, means for 1 rupees premium. You sell the put is lower strike than you bought. When you earn maximum profit, you earn maximum profit when the put buyer is you sell the put is not exercise the put, then and then you can earn maximum profit. So when put buyer not exercise the put option, if stock price is on the expiry is 35, okay, so if is on expiry stock price is 35, so you exercise the put. Yes, you exercise the put, so you can sell 40 and you buy at 35 on current market. So what maximum profit? So how much profit on in this transaction is 5 rupees, but here premium outflow is you paid 3 rupees but you received 1 rupees also, so net outflow premium is rupees 2. So what is the maximum profit you can earn? Rupees 3. So can we say the formula maximum profit under bear spread strategies, difference between strike price less net premium outflow. Maximum loss on this strategy. We take same example. Strike price and premium. Stock price is 42 rupees currently. Buy put for 40, premium outflow 3. Sell put strike of 35 at 1 rupees. So what is the maximum loss? Maximum loss occurs when you not exercise the put option. Means if you not exercise, then buyer also not exercise. So what is the maximum loss? Maximum loss is premium outflow. So what is the premium outflow? You paid rupees 3, but you receive rupees 1. So what is the loss of this strategy? Is rupees 2. So we can formulate it. Maximum loss is equal to premium paid less premium received. Now we calculate the no profit and no loss, means break even point. We take same example for the calculation of break even point. So first we need to calculate net outflow of premium. What is the net outflow of premium? Is you pay rupees 3 and receive rupees 1. So net outflow of premium is rupees 2. Okay. Now we require that we have no profit or no loss. So if as on expiry stock price is rupees 40, then I am not exercise the put, so I have loss of rupees 2. But I need to earn these 2 rupees from here, so I have no loss or no profit. So how we can earn 2 rupees? If as on expiry stock price is rupees 38, then you exercise the put option. Means you buy stock at current market rate, that is 38 rupees, and you exercise the put option and sell the share at the rupees 38 at rupees 40, and you earn rupees 2 profit. So we can say that for the break even point, strike price of put by less net premium outflow.